Hi everyone, today we're going to make a digital scratch paper design in Procreate in a few simple steps. Digital scratch paper, you may also know as scratch art paper. It's when you have a piece of paper, usually with a black coating on top and the paper's colored underneath. You take like a wooden stylus, you scratch away the black. Sometimes it's gold, sometimes it's holographic, and it reveals the colors underneath. It's very simple to do in Procreate. To start, I'm going to start with a blank canvas. And on this canvas, I'm going to just put colors down. It can be random colors, or it can be colors based on the design that you know you want to do. So if I want to do an apple again, I can put down reds in a certain spot and then guess where they are when I do the scratch art part. Maybe I'll do a pumpkin this time. So I'll take some orange. And I'm using a spray paint brush, pretty big one, because I'm just randomly, I want to get the color down quickly. So doesn't have to be neat. And like I said, you don't have to put the color down in any semblance of order. I'm just putting it down in a way that maybe it'll hit something when I scratch it. I'll do it like it's a pumpkin patch. I'll put some dirt on the ground. And the reason why it doesn't matter if it's neat or not is because we're just going to blur it. So I'm going to go to the magic wand, choose Gaussian blur, and blur it. You don't want it to blur it all the way. Blur it till the colors kind of just blend together. Next step, make a new layer. Get black, or basically whatever color you want. I'm using black. Drop fill the whole thing, and you're basically done. Now it's just the scratching part. And to scratch, you're going to use an eraser. So you're going to go into your erasers. I prefer to use the shell brush under calligraphy because it gives you that scratchy look that you can get with the real thing. And you just basically make sure you're on eraser after you choose your brush. And you just start erasing and making your design. And if you already knew what the design was, you might get lucky and hit the points with the right colors. And if not, it doesn't really matter. Or you can just make it all one color underneath, or a shade of all one color underneath too, if you're going for something special. If not, just go crazy with any kind of colors. It's a fun way to give an activity to a kid. You can make the scratch paper part and then give it to a child and put it on the eraser and kind of have them erase a design into it as if it was actual paper in front of them. Not that scratch paper is messy, but it's without any of the shavings around. And as you can see with that shell brush, it has that rough texture to it, so it kind of looks like the real thing. And it's that simple. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for subscribing and liking. And check out the rest of my tutorials and Procreate videos on the channel. And I'll see you next time.